Me and him attack at first.
When shut up! Now your mother think I'm my mother. Don't talk to me when me I talk to you. Oh, me can't see you a man turn up on road.
Oh, hold on there. So he take me money and I give girl if you play a box and I buy girl rum and how much floss I drink and sitting with my money.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Somebody like you, can somebody like you like that? Got no one to blame, you're falling apart. A couple of volumes and fixing your heart. Nobody got you, and nobody got you like I did when you left just to find your fix. Keep losing yourself and you call it a win. Now I'm here just like you wanted. Once again without a warning. Cause when you look in my eyes and it's so cold, turn around on your knees, take the pain just to feel. When you walk through the night and it's so cold, feel me there on your skin, take the pain just to feel. Nobody like you, and nobody do the things that you do. We blaze through the lights, no hands on the wheel. We covered in ice, then we crash through the hills. Ooh, we start a fall. I try to cope, but I can't keep it to myself. Ooh, you call my name because you know there's no one else. Cause when you look in my eyes and it's so cold, turn around on your knees, take the pain just to feel. When you walk through the night and it's so cold, feel me there on your skin, take the pain just to feel.
Girl, a long time I don't see you. Me glad to see you.
Oh,
Come give me a hug,
yeah,
man. Sure.
Oh, God. And life fits you, man.
Yes.
Life fits you.
Yeah, my love. Yes.
Pass around like England pound.
Grace of God, the grace of God,
Yes.
the grace and the mercy of it always pray. I say me always talk about that, you know. The praying thing good and sitting. Girl, you know what me call you? Me have sitting to tell about the dirty boy where they go on like he want to run the lane.
Ooh.
Patrol.
That did. Hey. How you know?
When me know, you go frightened when you know.
How?
Me hear say the boy dirty patrol me the chat. And some had a friend when you have some had a jing bands. Yeah, jing bang friend them. Scam. And when they send the one with you receive it, cause them would have be the dealer, you know. Yes, when the receiver go figure receive it, then hold on pan the boy passport book. Cause I'm passport book indeed I use.
Yes, the brutes.
Yes. Indeed I use him passport book for collect it. When they see the amount of money, then hold on pan him and call police.
Good.
Him gone down a station now and call up the whole of them names. So right now police I look for patrol.
Yes, there is a God. Yeah, long time that they brute and him friend them for left lane, you know.
Police
long
I look
time.
for the drunker and me not like him from morning. In thief out milk out of coffee. He finger them and no fee. Me go down the road that day go hear one old woman they chat him ma. Him and her patrol a jacket. And that's why he thief so and how he thief like him mama.
Yes.
Me know such patrol mama used to work a hotel in a Hanover. Where hotel name up Hanover like you go mobile.
Like the Rio.
The big hotel there. Boy. And a real name. But you know me, I chat when I left out a Lucy and they go up. One big hotel there, so me say, I used to walk there and then catch him with chicken leg out of the gate, security catch him. Me say, Mama thief, so till so patrol. Thief before him born.
I saw your name, Patrol.
God almighty. What a
Go
boy.
in it no come back out.
A criminal.
The whole family
Police
of
will
them.
lock him up.
Lock up the whole of them. Aye, me no mind if police no bother with it. Lock him up, you know.
That's why.
Them the people they forgot quarter with stop spare money.
Why make you don't want police lock him up? You and him a friend? You and him a no friend,
No,
you know?
them fit me. You know, see how police work. Them do them work on him, man.
Oh,
Time
me know-
only I
me
go
know what
get
you
good
mean.
lawyer.
Just-
Him I go
ju-
get good lawyer and come back
Bev,
out. And
just
come back
said
out with
dirt no Ivy they talk to you, you know.
Hey.
You know, say me pick up things easily.
You know, man.
Listen to me. Just say dirt.
But
The
then
one
see,
then
catch
dirt
him
him
with
because
the
thief him all a broke people place going to people. Me saying thief him going to people house through then win that the other day me hear police lock him up and will give him 1 week in there and put him on own bail.
That's why me
Guess
say-
why in thief no?
Huh.
The people them TV, flat screen TV,
Hey, they
75-inch TV, smart TV.
They lucky.
Where few much money and carry go sell it few much and then TV they dear now. Guess how much me you saying sell it for? The boy I move like a stocky out.
Hey,
Sell the people them TV for $1,000, 1,000 Jamaican
US.
dollar. Which US? Jamaican.
that's it. Hey, the other day, me walk past and see my hey, you know Miss Merkel yard.
Hey,
A thief off of the line, thief draws off of the line. After that, me never want to tell you, you know, Ivy,
now
that me are your friend. And me no want to see a little girl go down the wrong path. Me know how hard you batter with her.
how she do now?
She and the one Keisha, you know, see them about and bench, they're my best friend.
So then say,
You work too hard with that little girl. She had no good company she a keep.
me know, me warn her about it.
I know that. Ivy, me are your friend, so me have to tell you straight. The one pothole, it look like say him and your daughter a deal. Me see the two of them. And no good thing.
What you not say to me?
Your daughter in the sister and friend, and look like say the pothole want come in your family too.
Who for family?
For your family,
You're
so
mad.
little from this him for call your ma.
Tappy. No say that again. You know and I know that my daughter is underage, and if Patwell think him bad, unless he no want the private they will God give to him. You know me, you know. You're my friend, you know me. I will rotten off that way I have.
That's why me I tell you, cause we don't know say little pick name love. And when me see him and your
Where you try?
baby
Where you try?
girl,
Where you try? Say,
he might look your baby girl sin thing.
no, me know say Patwell a liar than thief and he
And
do
you
all kind of
love
sickness.
little
So how
girl.
you want say my pedophile? A pervert? A liar tell. Thank you for telling
Him
me.
say the sister forget the friend them.
You know say I warn my daughter about that girl. Because me no like that the generation then no tall. Me no like that the family then no tall. Then dangerous. Them living dangerously. I mean no like that the family there. I mean no want my daughter have nothing to do with that the family there.
That's so make me have to come tell you.
Me have to go talk to her. Thank you for telling me.
Me have to come tell you.
Thank you.
Because that's a dog and the whole family them a pit bull.
But look on the tip at all too. And my daughter damn an idiot too, you know, because she underage. She not ready for man yet, you know.
You have to talk to her.
She not ready for man yet. And if she thinks a baby a handbag, and even if in the wait, my friend, listen to me now, Bev. Even if my daughter they hide and I do things where she not supposed to do, that they dirty thieving boy there. Me no want she hide and do not with that the idiot there. Me nah say Marco, don't get me wrong, me nah say my daughter must go hide and do wrong things, you know.
No.
But you know say sometime all when you school them and they tell them the right from the wrong, then feel say when they reach certain age you can't talk to them again. So then still hide and do certain things that they're not supposed to.
Ivy, Tina, what here?
How you call Ivy? Little girl, me no size. And not true because you are my daughter and friend of his, if you can talk to me, you know that the manner there. Me older than you, me could have be your mother.
Miss Ivy, Tina, what here?
What the good evening there? Or the good afternoon? or-
Good evening, Miss Ivy. Tina, what here?
Yes, she over there. Damn out order. No manners. No little brat up say. Watch her. I walk and I wiggle her little mag herself like she a big woman.
Kuya, eh? Me invisible now. Me must say a dopey.
Tina! You alright?
Yeah.
It's so hot.
But fit tell you about more, I talk to you about something about. You alright, yes, sir?
So you want... Alright, come on.
And if you never put her in her place, she wouldn't acknowledge you right neither.
Me know. They are no manners. Them are young people here. I can't go on like they want to talk to the whole of people. Them like I say, they are no parent.
But
They
Ivy,
disrespect anybody.
but Ivy, you bad too, you know.
How want me do?
Are you bad too?
How want me do?
You never send her to your daughter, and you tell me say you talk to your daughter, nothing link up with her.
Listen to me.
You encourage it, man.
Glad you say that
Sure.
this one. Me no want she know say me have a plan for she and her dirty brother. So me can't too front up and go on like I say me not in her now because me have a plan for them. So take time talk, man.
Me did wonder coming
Take
know
time
you for a
talk.
long
Me
time.
not even want her in my yard. Do you see me send her over there? Use your head no bed.
And then me I wonder, come here see how you send her to the... Hey, so quick. Me expect you to say, no, she not there or really put her in her place now.
Okay.
See, I have a plan. Me love that. Come did I wonder.
Mommy, so come here. Ivy, so come here.
I'm here ring with again, little girl. Oi! What's up? Oh, we are 16. You believe so you pass the age of consent, so you're gone. You not hear me again? How we deal with them when you come back? How are you say? You see that?
Ivy, let me ask you something. Me there?
No, it was invisible.
No, cause them see you go, one see you go, and this time two ago. And normally you don't have manners. Your
wonder-
sister she rub off on her.
You know, say from other day, me did talk to her about hygiene and everything, and she looked like she's sexually active.
Jesus.
Me I wonder if she a no virgin again because sometimes they hide and do things, you know, and not tell her the truth, you know. My mind they tell me say fi carry her go a doctor. Worse say about tell me about this damn patrol and how she and him in a business. Me no know if they are pregnant and under we roof and we no know. They come more from this big belly and then me shame like dog. Me I go talk to her about it.
You have to do it today to get out of hand. You know,
See
see,
there, she gone with friend.
hi. And Tina normally have manners. Me I watch little girl a grow up from crib.
Anytime they start do things where they're not supposed to do or they might do it before time.
Yes.
So then deal with parents. But what she me now? She got a roof she under.
Yes. You have to carry her go a doctor soon.
Yes.
It's where to get from bad
Ivy.
to worse.
No come on.
Hey, you look nice to a girl.
Thank you.
You could have make it look longer, though.
I want no more longer.
Eh?
I want no more longer. I couldn't manage you.
You know hot girl settings, you know. Right, that's what me have now. Why, son, hot, man. So, where's you have to tell me now, Tina?
I have something to tell about boy. Different for that though. You know, say party where they keep so. Me want going out that you want mommy man. Could go no way.
You see it? You see me, I tell about the woman there. The woman in a whole no meds, you know. And then again, you don't know what to do. Eh? You know, so she have fling on the clothes and tuck it through one window or tuck it through the next back door.
You know, so you're still already.
I'm telling you, so you're not ready for the street yet, man. You now move like you're ready for the street.
Anyways, that's a cool man.
Take all. How are you?
No, sir.
You see, you're not ready for the street yet. Eh? Look where they behave. Eh? You're not even hardly sitting. I just see me smoke and fight that choke you. So what you say have to tell me now? Because that me really want to hear now.
Oh, I'm happy to. You pregnant too?
Tell me the years.
I am pregnant.
And you make me get a cigarette? If you come collapse for me and send me to prison, girl.
What me I say I got prison?
No, you can't do that, Tina. You can't do that. You can't do that. And that's why sometimes me have to know who me are running. Because you can't say me your friend and you make me a give you a cigarette and if you come collapse you out or so.
Alright. Me never mean stills.
So, wait. Tell me again the ears.
I am pregnant. Mom not tell mommy nothing.
Savior. And what is for my Father God? So, Tina, you hear me?
Yeah, me I hear
You're underage, you know.
you.
I mean, now I'm going to tell us if you do nothing stupid towards the belly where you have right now. But what you plan to do?
Children know how to do, you know. That thing more for that show.
Where you think for dash you away? Tina, come on, man. Tina, you know, say, me feel like a woman there, you know. Me feel like a Ivy. Ivy, no know. Listen, Tina, let me tell you something. Me and you now go hold no dash your belly argument right or so. You hear me I tell you?
No, me say me
You-
a think about it, but me suppose me change my mind.
Listen, not even think enough to think about that. You know dash no belly, carry the belly. A matter of fact, you start think about fi dash your belly. You even go take one pregnancy test fi see if you're pregnant for true.
Yeah,
Fi-
if bike here come give me and one time I test it a 2 line. So
Tina, who name him? Tina, who name him?
your brother patrol.
No, sir.
So the way to fuck.
No, man. You mean to tell me say, in little time me got Smile Island, what you find time for, matter of fact, where you find time if you go over there so go catch belly? Eh?
Well, and then me go over film yard and him come over for me, you know. One time mommy not did it. And sometimes mommy just sleep in her room.
Tina, me tell you something now, me not judge you, no. But me think me did bad. Tina, you bad, you know? Tina, you bad.
How me bad? You buy this kitchen one belly? That means I'm bad. Me never intend for, me never want it to happen. Me never intend it to happen. Me tell everybody if you use condom. You have to want to use it.
Oh, so you order me just say so you know condom.
Of course me know
You know
it. So me
you
got
condom.
school for.
Eh? So, what happened? What happened with the condom? A bossy boss?
And that him tell me so.
That him a tell you. So when he tell you? When I catch your belly?
Yeah.
So let me ask you one question now. Tina, you're not too old to learn and you're not too young to learn. What you learn at school, say if when you have sex and the condom bust, what you must do after?
Take pan B. But me didn't know. And I like saying never you need tell me.
Tina, how you figure breed for me bad breed, brother? Eh? Me look at teeth in what you say? That Ivy say about me?
Stop call her Ivy. Use miss.
I'm afraid of Ivy.
That's why mommy say you're a bad company girl. Because you not no manners that mommy a shy say.
Oh man. I don't want to caught up myself in a father God. So, there's so I dig one hole if it too. So you tell me say, Ivy sit down for my name. I say, you fit up keep me company.
Yeah.
So tell me sit now. Tell me sit. Tell me sit now. So me I walk go carry go give a man. Eh? Me I carry a bad way. Eh? No matter of fact, you wrong way, me I carry wrong way.
No. You always a tell me right. But you how you go on when you talk to mommy or sometimes you call to mommy. She say you don't have no manners. But me know say I judge mommy and judge you, you know. Because you're a good person. Me say me a par. So you always a tell me right for wrong.
Let me tell you something, you know. Make Ivy go and judge me, you know. She alright, you know. You see how she and Bev doing this, so, eh? What chat, them a chat people business and now, cause that's all them good for you know. And let me tell you something too. Remember when I catch your belly, me name there? What me say me name do?
And then there.
And you know say me name there small island me did there. And them then the time they know some so if Ivy if you find out, you know, you hear say I miss set up on my brother if you go breed, you know. And that so my name I go ahead listen, you know. That they could drunk, you know. Hey, watch me and him. I don't like it. Sometimes I wonder if many come out I see a womb. Because I don't understand how you move so careless. Eh? Eh?
I hear fast sales, you know. Because you miss now fire hurt me. I don't know which part you're gone, brother. You both you got a small island. You never there to guide me.
So hold on there. And me have a foot them. Eh? And me have your underneath. Eh? Let me tell you something, you know. Tina, don't piss me off in idea, you know. Don't piss me off, Tina. Because you must know right from wrong. Don't think about this scooter, man. I said, me tell you, you must know right from wrong. And you see it, me dey carry couple Irish Spring for you and so sitting, but come here, I have to go trade and buy baby clothes now.
Well, Mr. Glass, you have that to 92.
Me want glad. Me want glad, you know. And me not judge the baby in your belly, and me not regret the baby. Well, guess what? Me did want you get pregnant when you left school. What me say, when you left school, you go to college and you're there for your own and I make your money. And them the time when you want you get pregnant, you go and breed for thief.
At them the time them want to get pregnant too.
A thief,
What?
you go and breed for thief. You know, you see, if I did want respectable man, you go breed for, you know. It would be so bad, you know. Hold on there. Oh, I come. My fiancé. Hi, baby. Yes, I'm okay. I'm just here chilling. Yes. Yeah. You know that yes, the luggage. You know that the luggage that I leave, I don't get it all now. Yes, baby. Remember that it have a lot of stuff in there. Want me to give away to the people. Yes, but don't worry yourself about that. I'm coming back. No, honey, it's nothing like that. What you mean? No, man, next time I'm not going to use Montego Bay Airport. I'm going to use Kingston Airport. Yes, love. But anyways, don't worry yourself. May I come back up there mountain. Yes, love. But anyways, I'll call you back later. Okay, love you. Oh, God.
Anyways, may I call and go. But where's the water party later? Come here, come in.
Come away. Hello. Me not care go no party with me. The only party you go party in your bed, clinic party and hospital party. Listen to me, you take the way there and me take the way there. Come, get on. Get along.
Bye.
You don't even know, you know, man. Thing grieve me to my heart, you know, father. What you mean? We go up on the move. Clearly, father. Zine, check it out to the punk they sending me bad man. That's what I tell us, father. I didn't want to make me do the mission alone. See that little clown the way you sing with me? I reach down there and tell me, say, don't do this, don't do that. And a ball. Kind of Google bat style them there. What kind of unprofessional style them there? Eh? Yo, boss, I'm not telling no lies still, you know. Mission did sweet different one time I take him out of my mind and just deal with the operation the right way, you know. You see me? And I come and bring in food them and think. Oh dear man. A proper mission will go up on man, all the things that the little fool enough to come with me next time and me alone for your mash work. You see me? Yeah. I'm telling this to bossy. No disrespect, you know. You see me, 'cause you know when I talk to you straightforward, you know. That December I'm born, no, my thing. Straightforward. You see me? Next time I go up on the mission, I don't want no little short thing there. You see me? Yeah, you know, give me no vibes. Means what me talk about. I want a tall broomstick, father. You don't know that, man? Yeah, man, more you talk to fear boy, them man, I make them know, say, yo, I long sitting them more for you, does it? Tall broomstick like that. So, say, the corrupt tree back at me, seriously, you can't even see it right now on the phone, you know. Someone want my machine tall. You see me? So, I go out there, you know, say, I brawl in me, I deal with the thing. Oh, Mr. Bradley, I know we're not mash up the mission same way. Yeah. And look where you reach now, boss. You mean if we get a youth, what you talk about? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, for this year, look at cat in the man. See, you know what I say? Tell me, boy, I don't want to get pregnant. Just use one style upon him, like the first time, chicks the what we have. Just bust a condom. And it works. I mean. So, bossy, you know, say, bank them soon want to start take on answer. That's why I tell you about the tall broom, them and them things.
Oh, but they don't want that to drunk for there.
Yeah, man, how are you, man?
Me talk to you. Me no idea on no phone. Me talk to you.
I say, I then call patrol and sit in a bossy. To make sure, remember, so when I drive on the road, the amount of patrol I have to pass with the car. You know? Alright, boss, different. Tell you what, don't shut about me. I chat them like an unwanted sister, yes, sir.
Me dear. No, sir. How you call unwanted?
What you done do?
Who you call unwanted? Because you see last time I check. This can't even me. See last time I check. Are you unwanted and thief? You thief. Me say, you see all the professional thief them out there. You double check them. You thief than them. But unwanted. Patrol.
You know we roll.
Patrol.
Don't catch cold.
Hey. You see, sometimes I wonder if up your so and your head right it. Sometimes I wonder up your so right it.
What you do?
But to tell you something, you know, you see when you drop your standard, your reputation, what's how your standard, your reputation drop. Left me out of it. Leave me out of it. Stop mention me in your problem them. Everywhere me go, me I hear say, Patoa sister this, Patoa sister. Hey, leave me out of your...
What's the name, sis?
So what are they?
What me do with the name?
What are they? So me I talk to you and I have no respect again.
Yeah, listen to you.
No, me I talk to you and I have no respect. Yeah, look around this like around this somebody attack. So what on them? Me really unwanted for you.
People them come here, look at me, watch out me head back away.
Patrol. No, cause everybody need to hear this, you know. Why you breed the people them girl pitney?
I don't come to the bosses.
Patrol.
What God give me experience for sis? Sure enough to drink.
Me never say if you drink. But God gave for you if it's something sensible, not figure out the little pitney way. Eh?
Sensible for a woman to get it and not a man.
No, bro. You turn one piece of pedophile. You turn one piece of pedophile from what you. From what you wonder, you better this stick to your teeth in, because teeth is not so bad, but pedophile.
So not teeth me on one piece to man.
Hey.
What you talking about? Teeth on one piece.
Hey, mama know.
You do it again? Mama know what?
Hey, mother know.
Think I theater me around for mama sit down and watch me? Think I movie this? Ramp with me. And what you try to say? Pedophile enough you now, Pitney. How you want me to do? Come on, fight like a gilding. Insist?
You better you come and fight as a gilding. Because guess what happened now?
As a gilding? Yo, a minion patrol, you know?
Listen, right now you name Dirt Patrol. You name Dirt Patrol. Because me don't understand where you come from, which nation you jack from. Because you not chat no more with sense right now. Not me you not chat with sense. Listen to me. You see before you breed people, girl pitney, think about their future.
Yo, you see I'm a hypocrite youth. I'm a hypocrite in a bad man. So what you pray? Anyhow, as somebody has that time, I pregnant, you know. You're happy for that, you know. We see your friend. Thing with sis, man.
No, man, no, sir. But from what you come like you get bright. Don't lick me in my head, don't do that.
Sister, come
Before
back
me,
here,
Mr. Mayor, we fight out of today. And that me make you know. Mr. Mayor, we fight. I need lick me back. Mr. Any lick me back. What when me start walk and holler and tell them say I beat me down. You know me we do it too. Rubbish. Listen to me. Listen to me. What you plan to do?
Just like what me did.
What you plan to do with the belly? There, may I ask one question? What you plan to do with the belly?
I make sure carry my youth. Anyway, she make nothing happen to me with a problem because I want me youth. You see me? I'm on working business this. See free. It's like how many patrol. It's me youth. Smooth road that I got name. I must tell you that. You see how you can talk. You want to work with auntie, you know. Because you go to foreign, you know. And you don't bring down nothing for youth, you know. You don't bring down nothing for me, you know. Look for me. See and send them me, you know.
When you and Tina they wrap up in a bed and a thief going to do or whatever, me did it. And what you mean by me not bring down my fear? Me not even know say girl pregnant because I can't baby clothes. But what you mean by me tell to buy things for you still a thief?
Where they in there?
Me tell, oi, this a shorts we have on and me buy gear. This a underpants we have on and me buy gear. This a socks, this a shoes. Up to the living here for you to come like and me buy gear.
And get steal now, see.
Eh?
Get steal.
They get steal and why they get to get thief too much. Everywhere you go and you got thief, see no hook you.
Yeah.
And that's why you look so stale.
Watch your mouth on the road now, man. You go like you want to bring them reputation, you know. Nobody go like you want to come bring them and load up my talent on the road, you know. Because everybody have this talent here, you know. Can go do things and don't get catch, you know.
Why?
Here, and everybody can go do things and don't get catch. So I ramp with my talent and go like you want to come load up it. You know much people, I come link me on my phone and I send people to me. Want me come to Kingston, come work for them. Watch you all about the place. You don't even know what I go on, and that may make you know. See all I come around the corner there, you couldn't even bring my water for me.
Alright, where them a put a right place them a put the cheese for the rat come catch it, Kingston.
Which cheese rich what call
You know what? You see the last word me just say. The last place them a put the cheese for the rat come catch it. You must know after. You see you are sorry for your condition. You
Captivity living. Yeah, learn about it.
abysmal.
How we make people live safe on the streets, yeah. If you never my sister, you couldn't live so safe. Just know that. See?
Oi, I'm me save the name. I'm me a savior. Everywhere me go, you do something. You know what they say? What they say? Patrol sister, Keisha, I'm me savior. Cause some man would have. Hey, I
know what God, man.
You don't even know they say I just feel like kick you down.
My powers are live off a man. See, you walk like snake and crab at the same time. Don't know if I'm mommy or daddy get what if I'm no, you know, family now walks up. Try broke man vibes in the youth. Call a girl at you know. Make sure you answer in no man down there. I'm going with baby mother. I want to call her, so you have to get used to the name, man. I want to man, but I already full fullness. They're on the road now, can give me one link now. Alright, I'm here. Nah, man, pray my government. Just come give me a fast and proper link. Alright. Belly. One up. I don't know about.
What tell mommy?
Father creator, you know, my youth have to have proper hygiene, you know. Just like daddy. May I tell you? What? Oh dear, you have to come and get your education good and Father creator and I beg you when you born. You born with no problem, no sickness. No disableness.
What?
Oh, go on, my baby.
Nothing.
We are there, you know, so if you can look for your baby father.
You know what kind of mother I have already?
Don't know a normal priest still. Come here, sir, come here, I have a few things to teach you, you know.
No problem, no.
But so we have to look one funny way, you see?
We?
You know what I mean?
No.
Sweet.
No, it come like I'm me, just impregnate myself, you know.
What you say?
It look like I'm me impregnate myself. Kind of, no, it come like I just me alone in this. You know, call me, you know, text me, you know, check up, nothing.
Sit down some of that. I'm going to know who call it up here right now. Sit down
That's
here.
all I tell you, come call me, you know.
Sit down here, sir. I feel like somebody pity. Listen to me. I have a few lines to teach you. Because neither your mommy don't know them line here to teach you. Okay? You young but me have an elder mind. You understand? You overstand. You understand. Whole I stand them.
Alright, don't, get
Listen
your
to me.
pine.
See a lot of people who want that. You see me? And I make up their mind feet. Means that you make up your mind firm and steady for what they come right now. You see me? The more you learn, the more you be smart. And I tell you so we go upgrade things. We don't want you to sit down and fold your hand when I talk to you.
When you say upgrade, what you mean by that? You mean by teeth in sitting them?
Speaking something. But I use the word they went to me a reason. Okay,
Tell me
you
that.
don't know how man have to survive out in the streets here. You know how much hard work me do? And people are going to try pin teeth for me. Just can't see you, man, and not to talk about that. Listen to me. Just make sure you have a head for your body.
Yeah, me do.
And when you got a doctor, make no doctor man touch you.
How far do me wanna go? Yeah, come with me, so what you mean say when me got doctor?
To me, no man, they not going to make me in a room where you're in. And if you do it, deliver it. So in there, every man touch you, you scream. You bawl, you feel scared. Tell them say you're allergic to man doctor. Okay? Yes.
No, sir.
So my baby can born and me be the first man to touch him. Not even my father, me first to touch him as a man.
Anything you say, but I don't feel ready for this. I want to go back to school. I want to have a job. I want to make a lot of money. Brother,
Listen to me, man, you don't get all of that, man. That you worry about. Me have that in process for you already.
I feel like I want to get rid of it.
What? Get up, get up, get up. I didn't overheard what you just said. What you just said to me?
So I feel like I want to get rid of it.
Because what?
Come on, ready for it.
Right now, you know, see you look more than ready. Look at your clothes, your blouse, your skirt look nice for you. Much as a hair. Only thing you want are like edges. Maybe we can get later. We the top when you look ready. Cool!
Come on.
Mommy, we have something to tell you. You see Tina? She gone from the road and I'm asking for carry me and you never carry me.
You look more than ready. Take a turn. You can't see yourself. Right now you're more than ready. You're born ready.
How much time let the fella say? If you stop call girl him. Your sister, you say her or she. Anyway. Don't worry about where she gone from the road. She tell me say she gone buy cheese stick for you.
Mommy, I lied.
What do you mean?
But they hear her on the phone, she did talk to somebody.
Where here she said?
She sound like her man voice. She said, my son come here. That she
So
said.
her phone did turn up. Do you hear that?
She put it on speaker on my little and Alex and me asleep.
I lie. Alright, now what you say?
No, I have to worry about nothing. See me?
Okay. Mommy, I see what I tell you. You see? That is why she didn't want to carry me a shop with her.
Come in. Hold your sister, man. Go down in the yard. Go on.
Come on.
Go on down in the yard. You look a dirty foot patrol. What you do with my daughter? You know no ambition, you know. Patrol, you know no good man. I can't say you're non ambitious. Because if you are no decent, good, responsible man, you wouldn't turn up a roadside with picnic underage.
You don't talk.
You're dirty and worthless. I can't don't talk. I don't like you. I don't like nobody for you. I don't want you in my family. You're too thief. You go 3 people and win and thief out then TV there. Police all and pull you and lock you up. I don't know where they send you out for.
Yeah, what you talk to you, General?
What you going to do? What you going to do, patrol? What you going to do? If you think you're bad. What you know what? Give me this. Come in and want to mash up your face out of the patrol. You know so you can't play with me. What if me go report you to my brother? You know my brother don't play. You know that.
No,
I don't put my glasses on your face because you look like you're not beard from morning.
I know, like a good son in
Patrol,
a
you're a
put on it.
scammer. I don't want no scammer in my family. You're not too wicked. I don't want no police and no bad man come kill up me and my family. Damn. And what they do with my daughter? So that you they do. Hide and call my daughter. Make she come meet up on the road and look more from this. You go breed her and left it on me. And threaten her on top of it and tell her, say, anyhow, she calling you go get this, agree her family and she. Yeah, this man called that we are liar that before so I go down a station right now, go report you.
I threaten me.
And tell them, say, you threaten me. All when you not threaten me, we go down, they go do it for now.
Yeah, Brass Max.
You take it for joke.
You can't do that and we have so much tall, bro, thick link. A joke.
You're fine
A
it
joke.
funny, not true?
A joke, yeah, man.
Tall broom tick link. You're so
Me,
fine
a station.
Yeah. We are
Joke, yeah,
lock you
man.
up.
Me? I know a
That
station
you say.
afraid of me. I'm a link them. Me tell you that.
Yes, no police can lock you up, John Croft.
Oh, I'm dear. I never know say soup. I'm my uncle.
So, what that mean? That mean no police can lock you up?
I never know say Mr. James. I'm my uncle.
Here we are.
Man.
So who cares if James is your uncle, auntie,
Yo.
or niece? You will
Be a-
find out.
be a
You
joke
have
again,
links
man.
and me have links.
Yeah, what you pray? Just make me lock off the family so I can take care of you
Lock
and
off
take
which
care of
family?
the
We don't
whole
want nothing for you.
family.
We look like desperation of hungerness step on we. Lock off which family?
Listen to me.
Me I beg you anything?
Listen to me, mommy. Just make me be the Santa Claus.
Me is not your
you are
mother,
the
be the
family.
Santa Claus. Not under my Christmas tree. Go with that and take with yourself.
Let me be the Santa for the family. Okay? And you could be one of my reindeer. Where's the
And your
glasses?
uncle where inspector they trick you. Who to tell if I no liar they tell? You and the police them and the inspector them don't I know nothing.
Hello. I done grade my uncle thing. Me never say inspector.
How?
Soup. And soon be corporal and bigger heads. Calm down yourself. Watch your mouth is speech enough breath.
Oi. You see you? You find everything funny and me not run no joke.
Mommy,
You see, you have your link and whosoever you are by family from police and inspector and higher rank. Let me tell you the same thing. Me know who me have to deal with you. So me not go and I laugh like me an idiot. You look somebody for run joke with you. All me
I
I tell
get
you
the
say,
joke.
don't make me come back and see you and my daughter again.
listen to mommy. I may get the joke at me for laugh. You just need to calm down
Me not find it
your
amusing. It's not
spirit.
funny.
Listen to me. You just need to calm down your spirit.
Oh, me I don't know your
you
client them,
see?
you know.
Yeah, you hear me,
listen
sir?
to me. Me I don't know your client them.
You just need to listen to me and work with the flow.
When they on the LR, look here, me and none of your client, them not talk to me, so I not talk to me that kind of way. Then in my conversation I chat about, you watch it pre, no bother with me.
Okay, can you hear
Me
me?
ain't no
out?
size.
Listen to me. You just need to relax, calm down your spirit. You see them 2 goal posts up on your ears. You just relax and make me go and score a goal in them. You see me? 2 goal posts, one here and one over here. Right
I'm
size.
joking thing in the pan, not true. You know, so you take everything when I say for joke. All me they want you and tell her say, just leave me daughter alone. Me no want hear or see you with me daughter again. Me no want hear say you and her turn up. No way.
Mommy,
And me no want see.
what you don't know
You
all of that,
understand me? When me no know all of that me? What you try tell me say? Yeah, me daughter in a son intimate relationship.
It's on here.
Whether intimate or social.
Daddy, I want to see Daddy.
What you try say? You can't impregnate my daughter. You impregnate my daughter. Or you say, may God help your son. Not even over that.
Just pray for us and wish the family a happy good luck. Modern time, mommy.
Somebody like you, can somebody like you like that? Got no one to blame, you're falling apart. A couple of volumes and fixing your heart. Nobody got you, and nobody got you like I did when you left just to find your fix. Keep losing yourself and you call it a win. No, I'm here just like you wanted.
Big man, forward there. Sorry, forward there, me a car. Come in at this.
What?
Yeah, man, me there work, man. You know, so I tell you, say, me pass over outside, you know, talk to some baby.
Them who?
You know, the boy dirty foot patrol, me say, talk to your daughter, man.
Boa.
If you tell her, we have to give me a 50, man. What you talk about?
If you tell you what me have to give you $50.
What do you mean?
If I take piece of sitting and give you a rotted lick up your today, you know say you always do them kind of sitting here. Look here.
Yeah, pay a Joes.
But look how much time me give you money. I ain't do no work. Other day me give you a picture. When me talk, no talk to me. You always a style me in them kind of way. You come to tell me, you tell me mommy I have to pay you $50 first. Look how much time me put you on work. For cut yard. You're not even cut it good. Eh? And me give you money, give you rum and then something there. You know what? You say me give me last money when me have in my pocket because I don't have no more. The $150 me have. See there? And you tell me foolishness. Keep you from me gate. So make sure I say where you go say make sense.
You know, so I go, man.
See $50 here.
Alright, you are going. You don't talk about belly, you know. So, you have to check out what I go on.
What do you mean belly? What kind of belly?
Check out what I go on, belly. Pregnancy belly business, you don't know more about that.
Tina! Come here. You're pregnant?
No, mommy.
You sure?
Mommy. Mommy, I'm pregnant for.
You see, I take your time and talk. Mommy, I'm pregnant for. And when you're the pan road, you load out your mouth with man. Load near say so you be a fan there. What you mean where you're pregnant for? Where they have sex for? And that's why you go pregnant.
Mommy,
if you're pregnant.
I am not pregnant. I am not have sex.
Me hear a big say you're pregnant.
I am not pregnant. Come in and do nothing.
You don't do nothing?
No.
I wonder if you remember your age. 16, you're underage. You're not supposed to turn up on a roadside and chat to no man. You're a pitney. You're underage.
Oh, mommy. I'm a sister. I'm a friend. Brother.
How?
So something wrong with that, so me talk to
You
him.
make mistake or what? Or a liar try to tell her something.
Mommy, I am
I'm a
not
sister,
telling you.
brother, I'm a friend, brother. What you talk about? Me don't know say dirty patrol or the girl where you and her a friend, brother. Me know say the two of them are brother and sister. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
You know what? You carry a doctor. Yes. That's the only way I can prove it that you're not pregnant. Because from the other day you act like you're sexually active. Yes. Either you not tell me the truth or something or something.
So mommy, so show how me act. I'm going. Me have to.
Oi. You see dirty Butterfoot boy where you just left me turn up with the chat out the road out there so when me come and see you with? Me and him, they chat about when they do. And you know it, in the pan, and they act like me not acknowledge when say true. Me no pick up when I say and go towards it. Me they talk about when me I talk about true, you and my daughter. You know in the pan? Nah. You know what that mean?
Mommy, is the same thing me I talk to you
Then
about.
now me here. Say you them. Hey.
Mommy, people will continue to come to you and tell you things. And I expect that people love people business, and plus when they see people pick me and talk to somebody and talk about things.
Oh, you are 16, at the age of 16. How you depend road with man way bigger than you, older than you?
Mommy, remember saying you're too old fella and you're too young fella. So in my teeth, Mommy, listen to me now.
Nothing to me like you're my tutor. Where the cheese stick the way you go by?
Mommy, I see you me never buy it.
Me. Where the cheese stick there? You tell Jasmine say, me son come, me go to the road go buy cheese stick for me.
Yes, me I buy it for you.
How comes that me? Cause if you no buy it for you.
Me and him attack at first.
When and then shut up! Now your mother think my mother don't talk to me when me I talk to you. Oh, me come see you a man turn up on road and run you down in a yard and you pass so much shop and you still don't buy the cheese strip. You think so me I hear that?
No, Mommy.
You see if I never one thing. If I never one thing, me the one you know. You see if I never one thing. Oi, I told me not believe in a child abuse. I'd give you one lick in your head. Move friend in front of me. And if you oi, come back here. All of me tell you if you move friend in front of me. Me they chat to you. Turn up. Let me tell you something. You now come out of the yard if you think you're going nowhere. Go on now. Kevin wash your damn underwear them properly but you not turn up a roadside and chat to man. You not even like wash plate, you not clean house, you not do nothing. So a man in your brain that me send you go to school for. Alright. Come here to me. Come around here, sir. Right there, sir. Look at me, Adam. You know your mother not joke.
Yes, Mommy.
You know say me no run joke.
Yes, sir.
You know say anything when me tell you had that me say and that me mean and it me I go do.
Yes, Mommy.
Okay. Listen to me now. You feel say through you're younger than me, you're smarter than me. But you're not smarter than me. I go tell you something. Me I left go up on the road go do something. And me no want you left out of the yard, not all. You hear what me say?
Yes, Mommy.
Well, me I go leave you with your niece. Me need you to take care of her. Don't leave her alone in the yard and don't come out of the yard with her. And you not left by yourself either. Me want go and come back and see in the yard. You need to wash your plate. And your dirty clothes them, where you're leaving at the bathroom, about 3 to 4 days now when me they warn you about from when you trick me and tell me how fab done. Or soap done, mommy me not have soap. Mommy water gone, you're full of excuse but when you go up on the road. You think you're smarter than me? You're not smarter than me. So you make excuse to go up on the road, go buy fab and all now your clothes then can wash. Them still did make sure so me come back and see them wash, the place clean up and you give Jasmine something to eat. And if me hear so you go through the gate, Hannah, the left hand of my roof. Because I realize the front of the day you pick up this big woman thing in your head. I realize that when you don't start have man secretly, when you don't want to no parents to know about, when you talk to them anyhow, when you act anyhow and act big and make phone call behind me and make some big talk on phone like you are the woman in here so. And we are go, me I go see, or we are go see who run things in this. What me say? I'll be back.
Yes, Mommy. Come here. Wait, you love this clothes here so?
No, Mama wash. I'm going on basket and see.
So every day you have to wear the same thing over and over again? Well,
That's why.
anyways.
So every day I have to go to Penny Road over and over again.
Don't worry about that. Anyways, I go on the road and I buy a stick sweetie for you. Do not tell mommy something for you, you know.
Make sure you buy sweeties. I'm going to tell mommy.
I go buy a sweetie for you. Do not tell mommy. By the way, so you're going to watch cartoon. Do not let nobody in the house. And do not light the stove. Okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Make sure you buy me sweetie, because I'm going to tell mom for you.
Yes, I go buy a sweetie.
Make sure. Oh, Tia. Ramen.
You know, I said that there's no stove.
But I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
One time I come back, I look about it for you. Do not touch this one. Go and watch it.
Okay, what for when you see this? I'm going to tell mom for you.
Yes, me will come.
Okay, sure.
Talk to very much. Why you to both you want to look more ramen? I mean, sure, talk to the man.
Are you there? Wow. Well, hold on. I see your mother go market and tell me say she leave you and the baby.
Oh, yes. But, so she want a sweetie, so I go buy a fear down this one.
So who there in the house with her?
She watch cartoon.
No. You can't do that. Anything can happen.
Very true, but me tell her.
For sweetie.
Bless, I'm gonna make it quick and come back.
Alright. Let me tell you something. Me glad me see you here. You is a good girl. Your mother try hard with you. You hear what me say?
No, man.
Me see something the other day me not like.
Wow.
Show me your company and I tell you who you are.
Oh, Keisha, she alright.
So how you know who me I talk about?
Because I only person I par around with.
No par with her. Them a bad breed. People will mark you as bad breed too.
Yes.
Me no want to see it. You's a beautiful girl here.
Yeah.
And you're there on a good part. So here what? Me no like the idea of you little sister on her own, you know. So me I go stand up by the gate and wait till you come back. But me case and go shop and come back here.
You know, alright. Me change my mind. Me not go bother go. Me go stay with her until mommy come then. Yeah.
Alright, that's a sweetie.
But Auntie Bev and my little sister and my little niece, my mommy, big daughter, big daughter.
True. Me forget you alone no favor. Right, come back. You know, leave her alone for sweetie, man.
You see, she a bag me about, you know. That's why.
Enough to do that again, man, for sweetie.
I just she a bother me about you.
Alright, stay with her. When your mother come nearby, sweet.
Yeah.
Alright, love you.
Alright. I'm tired.
So you know, so me I tell a friend what there, friend what me I tell say, you know, them go unalive, dirty patrol, you know. What do you mean by that? Mama, me say patrol thief for too much money when me carry from overseas. Right now, she even know I look drunk. I say I want to see him for 999 face. I see man and somebody come and tell me say they see patrol down a bar right now, a flash out, be $100 US. I lie. So what on there did it? So hold on there. So he had take me money and I give girl to play a box and I buy girl rum and how much flask I drink and sitting with my money. So hold on, because you can't talk somebody's story and talk for you. Where you get out there? How much you get out there? In bossy and give one look 100. You see, if him no good on like a dog, me no name Keisha. And the next thing, if him no good on like a dog I go good on like a hold on there, see me little loving sister, yeah. Remember me get sister from. You don't worry about that. Yeah, hey. But listen to me now, you see. Me not say that, me soon continue the story. Me soon continue it. Rubbish.
I'm to you.
No. So what?
No, me dear.
I'm kind of feel like a pain. I feel them like a heart right this one.
Jaja.
Heart right this stone. So you don't know say. The plan to give you a little change. We go buy some baby clothes.
Yeah.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
I never say you have to take the money when me a give you now, you know. Go give what they call him? Cause me not even want calling him. Where your man name? What they call him?
Me too want to hear about him right now.
Me don't want you to take the money go give patrol.
Me not
I
gonna give him
like
nothing.
him.
And your brother?
Skirmish. Well, this is a 20.
Thank you.
And if you can check, you know how much you want 100 US. How much you want 100 US?
No remember no. No, me not remember.
How much you want 100? You know how much you want 100 US?
No, me stress so. Me not remember nothing.
15,000. If you exchange job, probably you get 14,000 ad feet. So check 15. Just say 15. Check 15 times 20 and tell me how much I get. Hurry up.
Where you hurry me for? Jesus Christ. Sister Ella. 300,000.
How are you? What about 300,000?
That's what I feel love you saying. No?
Man, fees, man. That's at least, man. That's at least. I'm getting there hate me so, girl. I'm getting there bad mind me so. Cause every minute me take taxi like a plane. So when me tell you this is at least right now, you have to watch that. You get what me I say, me rich and talk. That me I make you know. Just don't take none of them money they go give him. Cause your man chat too much. So if you take evil, if you ever take one of this and give him, he might come back and tell me when me and him chase.
And I lie now, cause I intend for you. But you counting money like a pro do. So sister-in-law, you can teach me how to make some of the money too.
Listen.
So you laugh, girl.
Listen. You're fat already. So you have to go and relax over yourself. You see them a work here. When me go overseas to make this money. A gangster work me go over there go do. Them a work here, you're not ready for them a work here, my friend. So you have to go and see over there so with the fatness. You see I'm gonna get some
No, me tell you no. When I go stop call me fat, you know. Because my belly not even grow yet, I will not call me fat. What I'm doing, no?
See? You need to wait for your time. I don't go breed. You would have make some of them money right now. Let me say you would have make some of them. Smell them. Smell them there. Oh, I'm not that you. The 200,000 they're good. You can start it off. And if you have sense, you see the 200,000 there, you start a small business with part of it. And use the rest and go buy up some things for your baby. And you see when you look at junker come, you tell him so you want money. You understand? Cause me no know what you see him from when?
No, you know, you not even call me. I check up on me
Remember you
anything.
see him from when?
Me not see him from when.
Me like a stupid
Funny
kid.
one time me see him, me not see him back.
Me
Funny
like-
one time he call me out or something, me not see him back.
Oh. When the one time he call you, you not see him back. Oh. So take the money I go show him no. Take the money I go show him. Me fix on the business. Anyways, here now. Me dey on a little mission now, you understand? Because somebody owe me some money. And I said, me good thing me dey pull on this. If me ever tell her what go on, you open up your eye them. But anyways, I said Cynthia a while ago, you know. And I know you feel that way. Or maybe not enough to feel no way. But I don't bash about you see you should have wait for your time for true. You know?
Me know,
But
man.
it done happen already. So there is nothing I can do about it. And you worse can't do nothing about it. Because me don't want you having in your head say, you go dash the belly there again, you know.
By the way, including somebody go tell mommy about it. I'm there to deny it to mommy. And your mommy tell me say, I'm going to carry a doctor. So check if me really pregnant. But still, when you call me for come for your money, do you want to talk to you about something still? You know?
Tina, what you want to talk to me about? Tina, talk up no man.
Girl, me know something done cost me for already, you know. But me know I'm go find out about it. So including what come to my mind, me was, me let him go for that shoe about it.
Give me back my money.
For what?
Tina, listen to me. Me depend on pitney side. Give me back my money. Come, thank you very much. Give it to
See
me.
what the woman kill me?
What? Listen to me. You see, me think you see your mother going like he's sick, you know, but he's not really sick of me, you know. I should become, me know have my brother, you know, trouble, you know. Come on, just go down high station and go tell them, say, she want your dash for the belly, cause since her mother want paint bad picture for my brother, and even though me can't agree, me now go turn up and watch nobody bring down my brother. You get what me I say? Cause it's a blood that same way. Here and blood thicker than water. So me we go down high station and go tell them, say, she want your dash for the belly. I make my brother and just ship on my brother one part. And take care of your same way with the belly and make sure you get locked up. So listen to me. Cause remember, you know, I'm rich, you know. So I don't want to play with me, you hear me I tell you? Oh. So you listen. It's either you give me back the money or I go start to look at business. I tell you if you start and take care of the putting things out. I tell you if you go take
Me
care.
gonna start a business if I start. But still, you know, I never mommy did tell me for that way, you know. I just really want to do it because me don't want she keep going to the doctor and find out.
Listen to me. If she carry down her doctor and find out, come back and tell me. You see, if you even mention, say, he want you to dash your belly, me I go show you how rich me be. Me say I go show you how rich me be. Just listen up. Take your money and go on normal with it. Cause I come like say, hold on, no chick from what day, you know. Oh, but then take your money and go on. Hold on there. Shh. Yo! My bad friend. Eh? How you now say? So I want to hear, bo. I want to hear say. So me have money. Listen. Me no worry yourself, you. Me I could come buy one back right now. No worry yourself. A matter of fact, hold on. Me can't deal with the back there now. Me soon talk to him. Nothing me can. If I not me night. Think me a idiot. Me a business girl here. I'm a streetwise. You hear what I know? Yes, I have money and I come buy much back down there. And I think me a idiot. Right now, me a work man for go pay. And for your man, you walk is like a dog. Hello? Yes, ma'am. Yes, you have won the sweepstakes. Yes, you win the sweepstakes, miss. Yes, ma'am. And a brand new Mercedes Benz. Yes, ma'am. You win 3.5 million. Yes, miss. Yes. You can listen. You can call back this number when you're finished, and let me know when you deliver. Yes, the money, miss. The money. Okay. How do you do? Bye bye. Joke thing this. I chop food for our day. Yeah, idiot. Yeah, 260.
Actually, I've already decided. I'm staying.
Don't tell me now anything. Go sit down. Sit down. Come here. You smell some. Where they come from?
I come from over by Sweetie Field.
Before me ask you where they come from. What me tell you say when me left out of the yard?
You tell me for the yard?
So me come back and stay in the yard?
No.
Where they come from?
Shop. Cause Jasmine asked for buy Sweetie Field.
Why you never bring her with you? So long. Me there about 45 minutes. Too sweetie you left to go and shop go buy. I wish part that they shop there. I saw you go more beer way.
No. I go see my friend up the road, so cause she
Which
called
friend?
to me.
She who? Who you call she? Patrol town she? Who, where you come from? A patrol you go to one and tell me that?
No, mommy.
Listen to me. I'm a tough up. Hold on there. Wait. Where you get money from? Watch out. Hold on.
Whoa.
Penny. You are $2,000.
Hi.
Not even in Jamaican in the US. Where you get it from? You working?
No, mommy.
And even if you did that work, then they go give you so much money. You know, say 300. Jesus.
Mommy, I find me fine.
Hold on. Let me see. Wait, 1,000 US or 150 Jamaican. Oh, Jesus, 150,000 so at 300. How much is that? You know how much money it is?
300,000.
300 what? Me not come in no know it look like me a mistake.
Mommy, tell you say fine.
If 1,150,000 Jamaican, 200 US how much? 2 times that hour. 3 what?
300,000.
Tell me the truth, where you get it from?
Mommy, tell you say find me fine.
Find it where? Who so
road
bad
and
lucky
come-
in a demo time yeah?
Mommy.
A crisis are gone, everything raised. Nobody now last not even $1 Jamaican much as if you go last so much
Mommy,
in the
there's a lot
US.
of people last money.
So much money?
Yeah.
How you so lucky if you go find the people them money? Well, me need you're not getting it back. You're not getting it back. Me need to go find out a over money. Me want to know if a thief you thiefy or you start sell your body.
Mommy, me not do that. Mama.
Want my fish money?
Tada. I say you want great.
Next thing, you leave Jasmine alone in the house. But she look about ramen. Ramen burn up. Suppose the way make the little girl. Jesus, peace.
Could have burn down the house.
Analyze herself in the chat about burn down house. Suppose the way make the little girl analyze herself. Me in a problem.
But mommy, me talk to her before me leave. Me tell her I say do not trouble nothing in the house and do not go around us so. Cause she asked me for look about it and me say when time I come back me look about it for her.
You see you? You just a big fool, stupid and dumb. Me tell her say nothing left the yard. Jasmine how much? If she hungry and you text along to buy 2 sweetie, you know must know say she will do something where she not supposed to do. A matter of fact, she not even fi have lighter, she not fi grow on stove. A cylinder that with gas. Flammable. A problem that day. Could have take her life. Thank God it not happen. And you left so long to go buy 2 stupid. Give me. You not get it. 2 stupid sweetie. 2 sweetie.
Mommy, I tell me something I get you when time I don't feel me
And
need.
she beg you buy the sweetie or you trick her to go buy sweetie.
And she beg me to
Because
buy.
you want go to who you want go to her way. You think me stupid? I soon find out where you get this from. Don't worry yourself. By the hook or the crook, I must find out where you get it from. And this sweetie will not go down your throat.
Mommy.
No, mommy me. You're not paying billionaire. And don't shout out for me. You're not the mother. Me they pay the bills them in this. You're under my roof and you're underage. Me I come out of the yard. Don't start shout now and girl and get mad in here and lick you down. Me I come out of the yard and me tell you if you stay in the house. Stay in the house. Tidy up your place. And give Jasmine something to eat. And this I do. And I come mommy me. I should have just shut your back.
Mommy, give her something to eat
If
before
you
me
give
left
her
fire.
something to eat, or she likes to burn up all the ramen and nearly
Mommy,
burn down
cause
the
she
place.
always hungry.
Always hungry.
You know, hear and tell every time she a complain. Me hungry.
I know you're not dealing with it, right? Stop praising your voice after your mother. You and your mother no size. You stop spare the rod and spare the child. You use the rod manner that she understand.
Me, not spare no rather and spoil no child. And just because she is 16, me no want that, abuse her and sitting there. Something I can involve police and lock up on one if I sitting. Like more than can lock me up and she out there. They do all kind of thing worse when me gone to jail.
Ivy,
you don't know that?
You know want have to make she bite off your ears.
Them.
Because you not raise her right. Remember to tell all the parents tell we. Don't spare the rod and spoil the child. Cause you don't tell her she not here when you talk
Yes,
to her.
so you make her happen right so now.
Mommy, me not
You see the foolishness so you make her happen right so like say me not grow you up properly.
Mommy, me a talk to you more time you don't
When
want
you talk to me, say a pure lie you tell.
You see,
I don't
and that
believe
you want tell.
you will not get back this. I must find out where you get it from. Get a friend in front of me and go in the room go clean up in there. Me come here nasty now what? Me come back and see play walk and wheel. Wait, I slam go. Wait, Tina, come here to me. Come here.
Watch the attitude.
Come here. What is the problem?
No problem, mommy.
Come right here, so. Miss Big Woman, what is your problem?
No problem.
Oh, you don't have no problem. Me they talk to you and you really walk on the wheel and they wind up like a big woman and slam door in my face.
Mommy, me not slam the door.
Oh, me deaf. I mean, I say good.
Mommy, me just use my hand and push the door.
Hold on there. You a big woman. Where you do? Move your hand. Let me tell you something. I don't pick me a pick up for you, no. And I know sorry for you, but me no want. I just damage me no want damage your brain and go to prison. I chew your father gone. Run me gone. And me no want to go stress you out. Pan lick them when me go give you. Go in the house.
Ivy, I see him, so you have to turn up strong on them, you know? Can them go up on your back and ride you?
Take this.
But where she get them the kind of money from? A man, you know? They tell you about the
I go and find out.
him.
I go and find out. No worry
They
yourself.
tell you.
Not even put it on my skin, because I must see all some curse money.
Lord
Me don't know
God.
where they get it from. If a thief, then thief, or the little girl, or sell her body or whatever.
I no must sell. I no must sell. You know, so she a roll with patrol. A thief in thief, the money man. 1,000, tell himself get that. No bother with it, man. You know where the money come from.
Babe. You know what I think right now? Right now, I think if I send her a cops. What do you think about that? What you think I should do? Send her a cops?
Ivy. In the place. Me not tell you what to do, you know. But me did grow up with a young girl in the lane, right? Sarah. And she did bad, you know. You see when she did for her mother send her girl cops, she did bad. She did a little cut so. You see when she come out, Jaja, that turn cold sore, boil all in a one. So you see the cops? Sometimes you send them out a frying pan in a fire. I can't tell you what to do, you know. But why you not try church?
She always got church, you know, but she stop.
What make?
She had talk about the people them too boring in a church and one people sitting and find all kind of excuse. You know they stay when they reach certain age.
No, man. Ivy, I have to blame you for this, you know. You're the mother. And me tell you, say you're soften up on her.
Sure.
And them TikTok and social media foolishness have broke out the people them now, you know.
Well, I don't think TikTok broke out nobody, you know. And them go on TikTok with them dirty bad ways. They were already bad. TikTok can't get up and do nobody nothing. And people go up on there with them dirty bad ways and they do bad stuff where they're not supposed to do.
And that, you know, see, you see when them young girls go up on TikTok, a pair broke out, them a broke out, and a skin out, them a skin out, and a shake out. And a pair picnic. And the social media, because they want to go viral. If you take with the phone, man, and make sure go back to church.
But you know what? You know, say Pastor Granville always tell me to still send them come to church. But you see, she don't want to go. Just a little one want to go to church all the while. She don't want to go no tall. But guess what? You see, as from this Sunday, me go make she start go back to church.
Yes. Because you are the mother, and she had the picnic, she had try to rule you. That's your do, yes?
Me understand. Thank you, babe. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Thank you very much.
Listen.
I could have come back and see place burn down. And the little girl could have lose her life. Thank you very much.
Oh, God. We have to stick together, you know. We have to stick together because my sister, yeah, try. And when we go in our Auntie Patsy's shop, the spirit tell me to just turn around and look. You see when we turn around and look, I see that. I take her off like Shelly Ann. I said, no, sir. I have to phone you. I know see the baby inside.
Thank you, man.
All right, me gone. Here. Remember,
Yes.
it's in our church.
Yeah, well, good. Thanks.
What? Say, full of that.
Good evening, give me a moment now.
Where they do want me get all dirty cruff? Eh? You know think?
A minute now, man.
You know, sister, me not like you, me not want you me get neither. Me not want have nothing to do with you. Where they do want me get? Where you want?
Behave like that now, sit more explain to you.
Explain. Me look like me want somebody like you fi explain nothing to me.
Come in.
Me and know your ma move from me gate.
Yeah, calm down now, man. Where you behave so far?
Me no want you me gate.
I want to you. Stop behave like that now.
Me no want you me gate. Me no want have nothing to do with you. So me no want hear nothing from you.
Listen, me no, man. You all can't tell me about me a thief like the people in my community, you know, but me tell you this.
Then you're not thief.
You see, one day, in this future, in this life, yeah, and me, the community, everybody got try run to when time I make it here.
Which life?
Remember, me tell you that.
Which lifetime?
And that me really,
But no want nothing from you.
and that me really come and
Or
tell you still,
community
you
a
know.
con-
You see me? More you listen to me, I have to tell you
Me
because
no want
it's
hear nothing
important.
from you. Go on about your business. Me no want to see this a bike on me gate. Who to tell if I no thief bike? Go on!
So you say now you're not...
You don't have nothing to tell me. No who to tell if I not you see me on the veranda, you can't do it and style where you're sitting to tell me. And my daughter, you take time come for. You never know, say me there here. Every
good,
minute
man.
she tell us say me gone. Well, I check her this time.
Thing good, man.
Go on from me gate!
Normal prayer.
Move from me gate. Move! Wait. Who call you?
Me hear you out here, custom, I wonder what happened.
How that concern you? You think you're smarter than me?
So, Mummy, if you
You
say...
stay in there and spy. And I look through your window and they listen to me and see the man where they hide and they with out here so. Eh? So you come out here, if you come here what? Take care of yourself. Move!
Mummy, wait.
Move! Little girl. You know something I'm sending your cops door. You know something ever tell me something enough is send you but me just say think right now. So me fi send you. God. I beg you. Answer me prayer them. Because that little girl you want mad me. Little girl, you know something I'm saying your cops? Come here to me, come here. Close the door and come here. Carry the chair, come up here, sir. Take out the bag. Sit down. Little girl.
Yes, Mummy.
You know what I'm saying? I go send your cops. Yeah, that me say. I go send your girls home.
Mummy.
Because me now make you send up my blood pressure. You know what they call pitney like who know? Delinquent. You have the heart. If you make a little dirty butterfoot boy they just come on my gate, that means you're in a sitting man, the two only in a sitting.
Mummy, I don't know.
Hey, so look here. You see early Monday morning. Me I carry a doctor. You hear what me say?
Yes, Mummy.
Cause me want to know if me a judge you wrongfully or you a tell me lie. Because you think you're smarter than me. Little crayfish brain girl and me bring your company so. And me carry you so for 9 months. Your brain not big enough for me, you're not smarter than me. You might know how to hide and do your little foolishness them and think of me and yourself you can. You cannot trick me. Remember that. You hear me? So prepare to go a doctor Monday morning early. Can I realize you no cure me till you no come out of the yard? You're still gone. So the one little time when you're turning in the yard, a few little hours, you show me say you stay. But you're not smart, you're making income. Okay. We are going to see who run things in this. Me, I go see who run things in this. Also you are going to see. Think you're smart. You're not clever yet, my love. So prepare for Monday morning. One inside.
Hey, Mommy.
Tina! What the fuck? Come here.
Mommy.
Come here.
Yes, Mommy.
Look on the dresser. You see me put down $1,000 in there. 1 feet and come back. You send you shop. Where money do you miss enough? You can't sit down with you like a yours. Oh. Here now. Me need you to go to shop, go buy 3 pounds of the best dressed chicken back. And 2 pounds of rice. With a bottle of cooking oil, the small one. Come here, tell you where money can buy. And listen to me. If you make me spit a ground and it dry before you come back, your days are go what?
Over.
Which over? Your days are go bitter.
Mommy, why don't you use US them in there so let me tell that chicken back.
Something wrong with you. What if you use US them in this one buy?
Mommy, could I buy chicken?
Really? You see you? Me not trouble that the money there. Me not use it. Because me don't know if a thief or where you get it from. Me no want it to use. You understand me? So take it off of your mind and come go on and shop.
Okay, mommy.
Where back there?
Mommy, you can just buy a bag of shop. Mommy no bag no day in the house, mommy. Some would have buy one a shop.
Go on. Make sure you don't walk with this.
Yes, mommy. Miss Patsy, Miss will come back and buy some rest of stuff here.
Alright,
Alright. Yeah, Renee. Girl, I'm not want to come from a shop. Yeah, we support talk about that. One time reach out, I go kind of talk about that. Anyways, you good? Yeah, girl, me there. No, sir. Anyways, alright, where see I going for this now? Yeah, me have a ledge. We have a rusty nail, and plus the battery ledge and rat poison, and a Pepsi. Renee, you sure so this will get reliability? Girl, you sure? It work for you? Girl, alright, where's what I want? We tell you. Yeah. Mommy, I can't go back to Monday. Can't afford for she find out. Set me pregnant, you know. Why I want to put myself in a god? I'm going to take myself go to shop now.
I'm in for the ride, baby. You and I got history. Are we meant to be, or is it all a lie? Read between the lines, and this ain't it. Ain't how it's supposed to be. No, you're not that I want it, but I can feel your vibe. You keep pulling, pushing on me. All this time I sacrifice, but you want it when you want it. It's only when it's right for you.
Mommy!
I just got this feeling that I'm meant to date. I just got this feeling you gon' take and leave. I just got this feeling you don't say what you mean.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah? Dada! Jesus! Oh! Jesus face! Me daughter! Me daughter, what happened to you? What happened to you? Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, wait. Somebody call the ambulance. Oh, God, wait.
I don't feel ready for this. I want to go back to school. I want to have a job. I want to get money. Brother.
Somebody like you
Man,
like
get
that.
all of that, man.
Could
That you worry about. You look more than ready. Girl.
Oh, God. No.
Nobody got you like I did when you left just to find you.
Hello? Oh, God. No. My daughter, please. No. Don't give up. Oh, God. Oh, my God. I'll call the ambulance. Wait. Hello? My daughter. Why? All blood. Oh, God. Wait. Hello? Please, can you come on? I'm to the road. When you reach at the cash pot, please, my daughter. Something wrong with my daughter. I don't know what to do her. She unconscious. I don't know what to do her. She not breathing or nothing. Yes, all blood. Me see her come out. Wait. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, all right. Thanks. Jesus Christ. Boy, my daughter. Tina, my daughter. You know something I love you, you know? I love you not when me say me not me. Oh, God. Oh, get up, please. I'm sorry about everything. Oh, anything that happened to you, you can't explain and tell me. I'm going to listen, please. Just tell me, talk to me. Wake up.
I try to go, but I can't keep it to myself. You call my name because you know there's no one else. 'Cause when you look in my eyes and it's so cold, turn around on your knees, take the pain just to feel.
Hold on, go on like son, subscribe up. Oh, for when me telling you say subscribe, it's a joking thing with that pan. My son. I train a yet, but me not run down, you know. Okay, boy. Now worry yourself, man. So, now, yo. What time you subscribe to Maggy Films already? No. Where you say no? No. Oh, you say what? No, you say boy.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.